everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Delight. This is Barbara, and I joined a fiber club at the beginning of this month. Ooh, sorry, I'm still a little stuffed up. This is it, and I decided to do the unboxing now instead of waiting until waiting to show you guys what was inside it after, because, well, I'm a little disappointed. First off, it's in just this bag from what I can feel. It's not inside a box like they show on their site. So I got a knife. Oh, this is very cute. I do like this. It is inside a drawstring bag. That's why it's not in an actual little box like they show. Oh, that is so cool. I might need the knife to open it up. So, let's go ahead and open this up. And here we are. Okay, so I was a little disappointed at first, but I did not know that it was see-through on the other side because I didn't look, which I should have. But this is actually impressive. Instead of an actual box, they went with an actual little drawstring bag for the first one. So I'm gonna set this aside too. And let's see what's in it. The reason why I decided to join the club was because I wanted to learn new techniques on how to make yarn. So I'm gonna slide this off just a bit, and you guys are gonna move a little. Stupid thing. So this is what it looks like on the inside so far. You can see we have tissue paper. Nice little fun print. I'm gonna set that aside. I'm keeping a very close eye on my dad's dog so she doesn't get to it. We have some nice crimped little paper. So far, I am really loving it. Ooh. We have this little bag right here, and it's got some wool in it. So I'm gonna set you guys back on the tripod, and I'm gonna open that up. It's a very tight and very cramped space. So let's see if I can get a little closer. That's a little better. But like I said, it's a very close and cramped space that I have right now. So, push those aside. Oh, wow. I have no idea what this is, but it feels like silk. Wow, it is wicked soft. It's got some green in it. It's got white, a lot of blue. It's got some purple in it too. Well, that is impressive. I'm actually very curious to see what that is. I'll put it away later. Let's see what else is in here. This is cute. Can you guys see that? Nope. This is cute. They put it in a little lunch baggie. And they put a little sticker up. So I'm gonna see what else is in here before I open that up, because it looks like there's a couple more things. And we have another little bag. And we have another one. Whoops. I am just all over the place today. Goodness. Oh boy. And we have a heavy-duty one. Okay, so far for the first kit, I'm very excited. We've got some Sharpies. We've got some gloves. A little piece of candy. A Paradise Fibers sticker. This theme is an apple. That looks cute. And they went ahead and gave a little pin, too. And it was all inside this little cute pouch with a little divider in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff back in so I don't lose them. I think that's adorable. Don't exactly know why you need Sharpies in this kit, but now they have really piqued my curiosity. So I'm gonna set that aside, and I think that was it that was in the bag, aside from all the... Oh no, there is another bag. That one was hidden under all of the little papers. Well, now I see why. Oh. Okay, so now I see why they put the those markers in there. They've got a back to school list. But on top of that, what is in these little pouches, apparently, is sari silk, which is a very, very fine silk. Oh. They teach a little bit of a dye tutorial with the Sharpies. And the patterns on the back, the instructions. So that is actually really, really cool that they show you how to dye with the Sharpies. So what's in these little bags is all little bundles of sari silk. And they each have their own little theme. Green, like this little green bag. I bet this one's like a purple. I was close. Very off, but close enough. It's a black. That's actually very, very pretty. I like that black. It's a very true black. And let's see what's in this red one. This one's a jumble of colors. There's a lot of orange, a lot of red, greens, blues, yellows, everything in this one. Alright, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna open that little bag. The brown paper bag, to be more specific. Alright, so I went ahead and I cleaned up everything. and I went and I just lifted that tape up so that I wouldn't ruin the cute little llama sticker. So let's take a look inside the bag, shall we? Whoops. Well, it's a little top heavy. Oh well. Well, this is what's in that bag. It's a beautiful bird's nest of Cheviot wool. So I'm very curious as to how this kit is spun. So I'm gonna really watch for their tutorial on how to spin this month's kit. I'm pretty sure you just blend everything together, but I'm very curious as to how it happens, and I'm very curious to see if in the tutorial they're gonna show the highlighter dyeing or not. I am very, very pleased with my first kit. I love that it came in a little bag. I love that it came with little extra things like a sticker, a pin, it came with gloves. It came with everything that you need for whatever it is they're planning to show you when they put out their video on how to actually spin and prepare this colorway or whatever it is that they're doing. I love that they added a bunch of color varieties to the sari silk. I love that they gave you little cards like this to tell you exactly what it is that they gave you. Because without it, I wouldn't have known that that was Cheviot wool. I wouldn't have known that in those little bags were sari silk if they hadn't given a little card. But all in all, I was a little skeptical at first, but after I actually looked and saw that the back of the packaging was see-through and you could see the bag, silly me, I was actually very, very pleased. So I am definitely looking forward to October's kit. Well, I think that's it. I will see you guys later, and I'll show you guys pretty much how this comes out when I get it all spun up. Alright, have a delightful day and happy hooking, everyone. Before we go, I know I already said goodbye and everything, but before I go, I do want to mention their shipping. Oh my god, was that fast. The kit, you pretty much have to place it within the first 5 days of the month. And to be a part of the club, it is $34.99 a month. It will automatically renew. You can skip months. You just have to go into your account and press skip on whatever months. I placed the order on the 1st. It was supposed to ship by the 5th, but it ended up shipping on the 4th. And today is, I believe it is the 6th? It's Thursday, but it wasn't supposed to be, no, today's Friday. Duh, I just did the Hot Off the Hook Friday video. Boy, my head is in a whirlwind today. But today is Friday, and it was not supposed to be here until Monday. So that is very, very fast shipping. Monday is the 10th, so yeah. That's when it was supposed to be here, and it arrived a lot earlier than that. So that just goes to show exactly how fast they ship. And I'm pretty pleased with it. Alright, so enough of this. You've heard me ramble on for a good 13-14 minutes. So, have a delightful day, and happy hooking, everyone!